Alright guys, see about big time episode. So this tutorial, we want design UTDC for the screen here. So basically what we do is we'll get this input feed like this now. We'll be like, so if we just enter anything now, we'll type like maybe school, then we'll press enter now. You see and say it will create tag for me for this place here. And if you click now to delete the tags where different inside this place where they create. So if you just say Marvel Avengers, if I click enter and I see and say don't create new tag on me here, obviously click on to delete and come out now. So now HTML, CSS and jQuery now to run this one. So most here is the bill now. We'll enter the Visual Studio Code now. We'll see how to use code now to bring this into life now. You get? Alright now, so when I enter my code here, I already get structures now for HTML here. Wow, to start. So no worries, I'll still leave the link to where you take get this code for the description of this video. So if you see my link here for this place now, create they collect fonts from Google website. They get Open Sans and they use this 600 and 800 with it. Then I'll still use this icon, because if you look this place now, you see this X for here now. They get so now line on some now to do the icon, and they get some from their CDN now. They get all right now. So more just jump into the code quickly. So what we'll do here, first I'll create div wrapper. So this wrapper now, so we'll get image where go display that our virus stuff or so I'll just say assets / virus.svg. Then after the image now, I'll come down and I'll create h1. So this h1 I'll just say stay home, stay safe. Then I'll create span tag now. I'll just put prevent the spread of. I'll come myself on the span tag. I'll type COVID-19. What are you putting at COVID-19? Oh, not one knows it for this time. Alright, now so if you come down now, you'll see tags container. So this tags container, so what it creates now, I go contain our input so I want to create so input, and we'll give them ID. We'll say the ID now maybe tags, because this ID now will go target and with jQuery later. So we'll just say placeholder go be equals to create tag. Alright, so after the input now, we'll create our span. This span now will be the different tags. So let's say we get, so I'll create worry, then I'll just duplicate another like this now. So I'll just do maybe delta states ugeli okumagba avenue Ogunu Ubeji Jedo. Then that's the last one now. Refinery Road. Especially. Alright, so now I'm gonna go browser and I'm gonna refresh more. Say, okay, we'll get the virus, we'll get this input feed, and we'll get the tags and like this now. And if you see now, we're supposed to put X now, because for our design now we'll get this X for here like this. So it's all done now. We'll just come here, then this I already called the line on some via their CDN before. So I'll just come here, then I'll just put this I tag. Now I tag even the colon self. I mean I'm not thinking myself put. Then LES and LA times circle. Alright, LA times circle. So let's see. Alright, so browser, refresh. Okay, it's going to show you now. So we'll duplicate this one for everywhere. So select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you don't like this, I just hold my control down for my keyboard. I think if you use Mac, now it's supposed to be, let me command. I beg, if you use Mac, go find it to be control for Mac. So for my Windows and I control, they go. You get. So I use Mac now for no Mac on. I don't know Mac on. Not this. So, see, they show all the X for you now. So we'll enter our style sheet and we'll see how to style the level. So the first thing we'll style for the style sheet now. We'll just come and say body. So background color, the color we're given an ash, EB5569. Then we'll see. Okay. Then I'll come here now. See, I'll target the image. So that image now, we'll give a position of absolute. Then we'll send me the top be 10 pixel and the right. Let the right be 10 pixel. You get. Then we'll just change the height now to 140 pixel. You know, say big loud for there. So if you change to 140 pixel now, you see, I say, okay, let's just see how we shall it. It's both small now. So what we'll call work on the wrapper. So this wrapper now, we'll say, make the width be 800 pixel. Then the margin will be auto, so that we'll centralize them for the display port now. That is a browser here. Then background color will be white as FFF. And position, we'll set that to relative. Then top will be 20 view height, so that I think will be like what you want to do the middle small. You see, yeah? Alright. So moving on. Padding. We'll give padding 60 pixel. Then box sizing, border box. If you don't know this thing, I did create CSS tutorial, so if you still go check out the CSS tutorial so that you'll see get the scope. So the font size now, they use open source. Notice that when I say they use Google fonts now for here. So that's how they type and sans serif. Then border radius, we'll give them 15 pixel and overflow hidden. Alright. So now it's in the take shape. So we'll work on this H1 now so that we'll style and make it resemble what they see for you. So to work on the H1 now, I'll just come down and say to wrapper H1. Then we'll change the font size to 18 pixel and font width will be 800. Then text transform, capitalize, and the color, I want kind of blue like that. I give them ash 5C6BC0. You get. So in fact, if you want to learn how to pick colors, if you come this way now, colors, I don't know how to spell and pass. This website here, now, very nice website. It could display so many colors for you to see them. So if you just go and say generate, so most times I call the thief color to do my work. So just go and generate color for me like this. You see different color. So if you just use just this one like this, now to design full website. Or if you click explore now, so it could bring out different types, then like that come for me. See this here. So anyhow, so if you click on now view, go show you the full color and you can see display the color code out for you. See this here. Display the color code. So if you adjust, you see the RGB value, everything usually they come outside. So anyhow, now for that one, so I just want to let on and see the color sunshine they come out for head. A T for somewhere too. So after we do the H1 like this now, the next one we'll target the span and web like we'll create for inside this H1 here. So I'll just duplicate this one, then I'll create a span. I think that's just the color I need to target now. So the color now will still be E5 73. So refresh this here. Okay. So now next one we'll target now. We'll work on this tags container now. We'll work on tag container. So about tag container, I'll work on the input, then work on the span. We'll say we'll clear everything was that the design and then we'll attach JavaScript. A bit jQuery. So the wrapper we'll target tags container. So this tags container now, we'll say margin top. Maybe the margin top is 60 pixel. Then position, we'll give a relative. I'll come down. Just copy this one quickly. Time, okay, so 10 minutes, yeah. So inputs we'll get a width to be 100%. Padding will be 10 pixels for top and bottom, then 15 pixels for the left and the right. And normally you can expand them. So to tackle that one, I will just say box sizing, border box. Okay, so now I'll do this one now. We'll give border. The border will be 2 pixel solid RGB value. So the red 245, the green 138, and the blue 151. Then alpha now will be 0.2. That means the opacity. So more spy this thing. Okay. Alright. Is that refresh? So after I finish the border, that's what we'll do now. We'll give a height. So the height now will be 45 pixel. Then the border radius will be 4 pixel. And outline color, so that by the time the input will be active now, so that color will be the border you get. So the color will give C5C 7D6. Okay. Then font family, mark up this one here. At least one with the type make things fine now. Make fine for I. The margin bottom will be 30 pixel. Alright. So now we'll get this level like this. And it does resemble small. So we'll target this our span for now. That is the tags now what they create now. Because see this, you see fine for eye to look. So we do go do before we target term, let's see. Okay, we need to target the placeholder first. So I'll just copy this one like this now. I want to change the color of the placeholder. Placeholder. Then the color. Okay. Alright. So back to the span web, let's with the tag one we'll target just now. So I'll just copy this. Span. Then what we'll do? Background color. We'll see with this RGB. Just that we're going to increase the opacity small this time. Like this. Okay. Then we'll give font weight 600, and the border with 2 pixel solid RGB. Okay. This one we use. All right. RGB. So, VMOC first. Okay. So moving forward now, the padding, say 10 pixel top and bottom, while the left and right will be 15 pixel. Then border radius, we'll see 4 pixel. Display inline flex, and font size 14 pixel. The font weight go be 600. No, we don't give font weight now. Okay, mark this one for the side. We don't give font weight for. So font weight 600. Alright, so the next thing now, text transform now, we'll say maybe capital. Text transform make capitalize. Now the first letter of each word now. So if we put more than one word now, the thing will be capitalized, you get. Alright, so the margin, we'll give margin, the top will be 0, top right, the right will be 10 pixel, the bottom will be 15 pixel, while the left could be 0 pixel back. Alright, so the cursor will make a pointer so that when they hover the mouse now, and then go to show the arrow and then go to show. Okay, then you know, so we'll go hover now. Okay? Alright, now someone just say transition now. So transition now, or 250 milliseconds easing out. Okay, so more refresh, we'll see. Okay, it sounds like it don't take shape, but this one still go up now. So we'll get to work on this eye for you now. That is the what do they call them again, Seth? The icon. I bet that I stands for icon, Seth. No. Let's not italic. I bet any Asha, the ID there. So we'll come down. But this is I just see that thing to just only icon that, because normally before that I na italic tag na be that it. The icons, I just associate all of them to what is it called? To icon. And it will fit and safe. Because icon, if you spell like ICON, it starts with I, so it really fits. They're supposed to call an icon tag because nobody would use for italic safe. If me now want slant this in, I know comment my CSS not going to do text style. I be me what it call. Now this is not the target that to make it italic now. So how many people would use that ISF to do anything? So now italic they want on their stuff too. If this is emphasis, go see slanter for you. But anyhow, so I made the color be white. FFF. Then border color ash EB 5555569. Alright. So refresh and you see the fresh. Hey, I beg. Okay, so I'm gonna target the icon now. So I'll come here now, say span I. So we'll just increase the font size small. So the font size I'll make it like 20 pixel. Then we'll space them out of the text now, which is margin left 10 pixel. So refresh now. You see it all soft. You see now maybe this. Okay, so we don't achieve our design now, so we need to find a way that as we type anything now or press enter now, it go appear for here. You get? So move enter our JavaScript file. Alright, so now inside the JavaScript file now, our app.js here now. So what we'll do first, say $document dot ready. Document that's ready. Function. Okay. So the step to do to want to first now, we'll declare variable. We declare variable to hold the value from input field. From input field. So what we'll do now, we'll say, we'll type var tag underscore input underscore field, which is equals to dollar tags. So we target this input field here now. You get? We target this input field here now. So what we'll do, we'll come down the next thing now. We'll declare variable now to store all the array now, because on a normal basis, now you say all these things are supposed to be read come out of my array. You get? So we'll come here now. We'll just say tag underscore array, which is this. So after this one, I'll come now create function. Now I go listing for when I press this enter key for my keyboard now. So we need to target or to know exactly which particular key now they press. So I'll say tag input field dot key up. So this key up now, it listen for events now when you press any key from your keyboard. You get? So I'll just come in and say function e, then I'll go create new variable now. I'll call them get new tag. It goes to this our tag input field now. You get? Dot value. You see? So what I go do now, I'll create if statement now. So this if statement now, it won't check whether now, because now, so this function now key up now, it listen for any anytime we press any space on our keyboard now. So if we press A, if we press space now, if we press tab, now I think we'll just do like that, and we'll not maybe like that. You get? If it be like that, I don't read everybody. So to go to, we'll just say the if now. E dot key code is equals to 13. So this 13 and have the key code for enter key. You see, this 13 and have the key code for enter key. So we'll just say I'll log now for console.log. So I'll say if e dot key code equals to 13. So I'll say enter key was pressed. At least maybe for see it will work. So I might just save. I might go back my browser here. inspect elements, console. So if I just press enter now, you see how it show for you now. Enter key was pressed. See this now. So I go refresh. Enter key was pressed. You get. So that 13 as well are the key code for enter be that. No, go if you say maybe I cram all this in for your head. I'm not cram for your head though. I just account of shit. If you want to know all this key code now, if you just come in, I get one website now, key code info. May load. You see, say press any key to get the JavaScript event code. So I press F now at 70. You see, F. So press enter at 13. I start now. I'm not cramming for head. So I press tab now 9 the command side. I press space at 32 the command side. So enter now 13. So if you did the do maybe now space now you want to listen for now. If you just press space now at 32, then if I will manipulate on your code, you get. So alright, now back to the code now. I'll clear this one now. So when we click the enter key now, what do we want to do? So we want to check now first if that input field now the empty, because we don't want to create empty tag now, you get, because if we go the press enter and I think we just create empty tag for us now. So what we'll do now, we'll create on that if block inside this place now. So if we say if this gets new tag now, after you trim that means clear all the empty space. If is equals to empty, then once you alert and we'll say please enter a tag. But if you're not empty, then we'll go add the tag now to the array we'll create, which is this tags array. So to add that now, we'll just say tag array now dot push. So I'll put dot push now. You go push them, enter inside the. We'll say get new tag. So what they do, say, would they listen for the key code now? If now enter the press, after I don't type now, so when we type now, they grab and put on for inside this value. So it will type for that input field now. It already stored for inside this variable. So now, you know the code is going now. So the next thing I will go check if now the enter key now will press now. Now it go look inside this code now. We'll look and make it. If that's what like, so after I press the enter key now, we'll go first check what is inside the input. If now empty thing now that inside the input now, that means we'll not type anything. It could just alert or say okay, please enter a tag. But if you look and say okay, we'll type something now, go push and enter inside the array. So when you push them inside the array now, that's in the inside the array, you get. So what we'll do, ma just ma say console.log, ma log the array so that you see and see it in the work. Console.log, and we'll just print this tags array here. Alright, so refresh. This never work. So must see get new tag dot stream. Okay, this stream supposed to get bracket here. Let me fuck up just now. I'm not obvious. And I'm on everybody fuck up. So if I press enter now, see I say this okay, please enter a tag. You see. So if I come here now, I might just say worry. You see, it don't print worry now. It's inside the array here. So after I print on, I still need to find a way to clear them so that we'll put into will clear the form and will come out. So beginning, you see, 3 items not different inside the array now. I'm going to declare some every time. So we'll just run that level sharp. So I'll do now. We'll just mark comment out. I'll use console.log later again. I'll not type again. So after we'll do this one, what we'll do next? Inside the same else block here now, I'll come here and say $, we'll target this tag container now, then we need to append them now for the end of all these ones are there. So after this ones where they show now, go append them here. So me know if we clear these ones first, or if we still leave them, I clear them first. Go back to my browser, say empty now. So any string will type for here, it will just appear for this underneath the input tag now. So I'll come here. I'll target this tags container. So tags container dot append. So what would they append now? Would append this HTML now, span. Then we'll add plus to concatenate this our new tag. We'll put inside the array. You see, we'll put them here like this. Then we'll create a span. Sorry, we'll make a span. We'll create that this tag now. This one you see now. So I might just copy them out here. So I'll place them here. Okay, they bring error out for me. So what if we do? We'll come out to this single quote now. Sorry, this double quote. Then we'll put single quotes here. Sorry. So that the JavaScript will feel that way. What did it do? I just cut this one at first. Ctrl X. Span. What's this for the ending here? Maybe this is font size, so I must see this thing where. I need to make on this straight line. Okay. Let's see. Alright. So anytime like so type something now, we'll push them inside the array, then we'll append them now so that I go show for this our tags container here. You get after I don't finish now, I won't clear the input field. So I'll copy this code. I'll come down here. Then inside I'll just create this empty stuff here like this. So if I go back now, refresh, we'll type maybe worry, press enter. Never see come out. Wait, I did the mistake they do again. I'll go back to my code. I might see what would they do wrongly. Tags push, append tags container. Okay, dots. Not class, so dots supposed there. So I'll go back, refresh, worry. That's show. But our icon never show. Why? Let's see. Say I class LAS LA. Okay, the thing scatter. I want to copy. So put this one together. All right, refresh. Worry. Okay, it's sure now. You see how? So we need to find a way to click this thing and make it vanish. I mean, click to delete and come out for the array. So worry, Benin, Jadot, Aubergy, you get one place where the try me back. If they go Abraka here, all of them be like say they school for Abraka. If I'm worried, if they go Abraka, it's not what be this junction opposite PTI junction. Oh, you think they skip my mind now? I say PTI junction. And you enter my job. I've type and say before now. Abi? But don't forget, I go remember just now. So you see, we'll add all this tag now. Then we need to find a way to click now so that the thing that will come out. You get. So what we will do to remove them, after we do this if now, we'll come aside from this our function now. We'll create another function now where we'll listen for when we click on any of all these tags now. You get. So to do that one, I'll do just come here now. We'll say we'll target these tags. Continue markup here. So target dot on. Oh, sure, Jesus Christ, I don't know this. Sorry. So on click and span. So when we click now, we'll target the span now. You get. So we'll click on these tags now. We won't target the span. So the reason why we do one like this now, because see these things will be like so they add now, you know, originally load. You get some of them they add now not load. Follow the when we create the HTML the first time, we add that dynamically. So now we could do one like this now. So we'll come in and we'll create function now. We'll say function. Then var we'll just say k is equals to dollar this. So this dot text. So now whenever we click on any spanner, it will grab that span, then it will save onto this variable now. You get this variable k will create here now. So this k now will create now. What we'll go do to delete them now? We'll come and we'll target the tags array, then we'll go say dot splice. You get tags array dot splice. I'll put this for in the FS. So when we splice now, we'll target the tags array, then the index of this key. You get the index of this key, then 1. So dollar this dot remove. Okay. All right. So we grab the item. Let's go click now. That particular tag. We save them here. Then we go into the tags array. Then we'll go look for that particular tag. You get a particular tag now using the index of that word now. Look at that particular word, click now. Then we'll move on. All right, so we'll go do I'll come here. More check now. Osubi now be the name of that place. Abraka students, they know that place anyway. If they come out for worry, say they go Abraka now, you must pass. Osubi now, take moto. So Osubi, Jedo. Again, guy be like say the many of now they will school that Abraka, I will know that guy from they come for worry. The guy all this Agberosha, this a bit the shot for not be say shot, they also and the shadow for people moto there. So the guy was in a Eku, in one cut 3 places, Eku, Oviore, and Orerokbe. The guy go say Eku, Viorokbe, Eku, Viorokbe. Now the guy say Eku, Viorokbe. Now the guy they talk over every time. So that is 1. And moi just say Morphojonchon. Iara generator Akbologbe Ogbemudia. So that's about this means now Subi Jedu Ekuviorokbe Morphojonchon Iara generator Akbologbe de Ogbemudia. So if you click on generator and say dot delete Ekuviorokbe dot delete. So my type worry again, then Mose s'appelle Ori Ugili. See, so click this one, come out, click this one, come out, click this, click this, click this, click this. You see, so like this, I will create the stuff where like say we promise we go do. You see, okay. We miss one thing. We're supposed to make this one capital uppercase shabet. Anyhow. We understand how to do it like that. So if you want to work on them, do on your own like that. So do go do. Nothing. I would finish now. So anyhow, and I told you this, and I don't say that long small bets. That's long the explanation, but not for grab and way you get. So anything you don't understand properly, just leave comment now for the comment section. Then make sure you like the video, subscribe. And this period, na coronavirus period, all of them I wanna stay safe and I get. So as government say everybody did their ass, everybody did their ass. I don't say it's not easy. If you go see shop, even NEPA safe. Now she knows that they run this thing now. So NEPA safe, I don't know. As I say, isolate, whether NEPA isolate, so they need being lights. I don't understand. So any government person, if they hear my voice, may still tell them to me they still behave themselves because they read or they said maybe we're not going to change that for them. So anyhow, just stay safe and see the pray, give God, may God change the way the breeze they blow for the world right now. You get. So if you watch this video from the future, I hope the future coronavirus not there anywhere again and everybody is very, very safe. So anyhow, like the video, subscribe and tell your guys now they have one. May Allah have a big time for the bus out and see you guys for the next video. All right, guys.